Changing your account plan with Posit Cloud is not difficult. Here I'm signed in to an account on Posit Cloud, and what I need to do is click on my name up here, or whatever the name of your account is, and you'll open this page. And then this shows you how many hours. You can see I haven't used this account in a while. But if I click on account, it opens up this page, and it shows that I'm using the Cloud Free plan, and it gives you the information about the Cloud Free plan. And of course, the thing we've been concerned with is the available compute hours. 25 works for a lot of students, but for some students, they need additional time. And one way to get that time is to change to a pay plan, $5 per month, and that will give you 75 hours. So how do we do that? Scroll down and you can see there's a button there that says upgrade. I'm going to click that, and then it gives you the plans that are available. Here's the Cloud Free. The one I want to point you to is called Cloud Student. And what you need to do then is click on Learn More and read down through here. And the first thing you have to do is to give it the institution. I'm going to type that in and put this on pause. Okay, I've typed in Excelsior University, and then you enter an email. Now note it says that you need to have an email affiliated with the institution. But what I've learned from talking to the folks at Posit, you can use a non.edu email if you don't have one, as long as it's the email that the university knows you by, that you correspond with the university. So you can see here I put in a non.edu email, and then I just need to scroll down, and you need to enter in your credit card information. And I've done that here. And then at the very bottom, read the fine print. Talks about you will be billed every month, plus any usage charges. Now, you're very unlikely to have the 10 cents an hour for any hour over 78. I've never had a student go over maybe 50 hours in a month. And that is billed to your credit card every month. And all you have to do then is just click on, well, I would read the overages there that you can see at the bottom. One important thing I forgot to mention, you can cancel your subscription at any time. In other words, if once you get through the first month, our course is only 2 months long, so it's unlikely you would need to buy 2 months worth of the Cloud Student plan. But remember, at the end of the course, for sure, go back in here and switch back to the free plan if you want to keep Posit Cloud, or you can totally cancel, and you can cancel at any time. It'll still give you the amount of time you paid for. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here and click on Change Plan, and you can see it went ahead and changed me to Cloud Student with that non.edu email account. So that's how you change over to Cloud Student. I hope this helps.